pa tayo nagsuklay, nagbablog na. But anyway, aalis tayo, kaya ako maagang naligo. Mamaya ako talaga suklayin yung buhok ko para hindi magbuhaghag. Paglalabas na tayo. Dahil aalis pala tayo ngayon. Yes, it's okay. Bumaba! Ang batang to, bumaba, tapos aakyat. So, alis tayo ngayon guys. Pupunta tayo sa school ng mga bata. Very, stress sa paghahanap ng kanilang school. Dahil late na nga sila nakarating dito. Well, hindi pa naman pasukan nung sila'y dumating. But, punuan na ang mga school. But luckily, after long waiting, nakahanap na tayo ng school. At they have vacancies or space kung tinatawag nila dito. So, alis tayo later. Ouch! So, it's Friday. Hindi pumasok si Mr. dahil napunta sa school. And hindi naman ako nakakapag-drive pa. Although may license ako. Kaso wala pa ako nung parang professional license. Tapos hindi pa ako insured sa car. Kaya hindi ako pwede basta-basta mag-drive. Ganun dito guys. Yes. So si Mr. ay nagluluto sa kusina ng ating lunch. Ay, no. That's sharp anak. Sharp. Kulit ng ating baby. Magaling na ang ating baby. Ilang araw din siyang masama ang pakiramdam. Ang hirap pag may sakit ang bata. Let's go to kitchen. Tingnan natin si Mr. doon. Let's go to kitchen and see what's your papa doing. What are you doing? You're heating the Reheating the... Oh! Also the nuggets? Seriously? You cook what I want? Yeah? We're gonna have sausage, nuggets, and pizza. So, but ang ating camera, we need to charge it. I got foods a little. Is your gone?
Just check. 180 for 16-18.
Yeah, 16 to 18 minutes.
Right, what's the pizza?
I'm gonna, comb my hair.
What's the pizza? Same? 184.
17 to 21.
16-18, yeah.
17 to 21?
Yeah, so 16-18. You were both 17. Sausage I'm doing for 20 minutes.
We're going na?
Right, going back out and I'm taking my clothes off.
Ito na guys yung ating sausage, pizza, at saka yung nuggets. Si Mr. ay pinapaligo ko na rin. Para hindi tayo nagmamadali. Ito yung mga bata. Kaya ako na mag-asikaso nito. Malinis naman yan. Ako lang ang hindi mapainom ng dito mo lang init. Then hindi rin si filter yata. Pinansalinan na nila yung sa may nila ref. Mamaya pakiabot tawag doon. Knife. Pizza. And 4 na plates. Yung pangalawa sa malaki. Parang inaantok na ang Michaela. Kaya pala nag-iisip. Pag guys ganito, naaalis tayo. Tapos mabilisan. Minsan lang naman. Tapos ayaw ko magluto. Ito kami kumakapit sa mga instant food or meal. Like pizza, ganyan. Bihira lang. Pero bihira kami magganito. Kasi nga, hindi to healthy pag palagi. Ito ay lang. Parang panawid gutom. Ganon. Tapos medyo puyat na puyat pa ako kagabi. Kasi ang ating baby ay gising ng 5 to 6. Ewan ko, bakit ayaw na natulog?
Yeah, you got everything.
Naiyak ka sa
No, when you walk into that, I wasn't going to table yet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat.
What? You're in trouble.
What is it?
Left the oven on.
I turned it off.
No, I didn't. I've just turned it off.
I did it?
Oh, go. Go.
Parang sa'yo yata yan. I think you put a wrong place there.
No. They got water. That's for you.
That's why. Whoops.
I don't got water.
Be careful.
This is like
I just
last
spilled my
night.
water earlier.
Andali. Hold this.
Yay!
Nice. It's hot. Aalis na tayo, guys. Oh, punta tayo ng school muna. Naka-coat ka, Sai.
There's something going on.
Okay, we're going
Right.
somewhere.
Have we
Thank
to
you, Lord.
go?
May school na. Dito tayo sa school.
Are we to do the uniform now?
Yeah, I think we best go to the uniform now. At least if they're going on Monday, they have school uniform and for their shoes.
Because we can always look for shoes.
So see you later, guys. Ang lamig.
na-expired yan.
That's sorry.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
Is it
okay.
perfect? Yeah.
Yeah. So take
That's
your
nice.
take your top on and put your blouse on, and
put a
then I brought
blouse.
you.
A jumper.
Yeah, let's try that. So blouse, and then pop that on. So tuck your shirt in, so look smart like we do. Because Mr. Hannah's strict about you looking smart at Woden.
Okay.
He is.
Wow, that's nice.
Meron kaya sila mas maliit na polo?
Yeah.
You want smaller?
Do you have something?
No. So my shirts go by collar size, and that is a.
I poked up and thought she can sleep in my arms. She'll be
Did you walk up? No.
This is a good mirror out here. Come look in the big mirror.
Here, you can see yourself here. Wow, that's so nice.
Good.
No, I like the
It's
rules.
really good,
It's
yeah.
it's good for discipline. Smaller.
PE jacket.
Ang ganda ng kanyang PE. I think that's right size for you. That's nice.
I'll get your PE kit.
Show me.
They're adjusting to
Show me.
30 degrees all year.
That's nice. I like the size also. Do you like the size?
Activities
Nice.
in the worst weather, don't they? Yeah. That's
So she said you have to have what they're wearing, but this is
it's
optional.
optional, yeah.
But it's not really optional, is it?
Of course it is, yeah.
Not sure.
You're
maybe.
not sure, are you?
Hi, we're finished. Very expensive. 300.
150 each. Right, where are we going now?
Ang mahal ng uniform.
Um,
600.
shoes.
Ay, 300.
Shoes, where can we get some
16,
shoes?
guys. Yung uniform nila. Each. No, not each. For 2. Ay.
Na, ang laki ng jacket na purple.
Ha?
Yung purple na vest.
Ayaw mo?
Ang laki.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi po, ang laki lang.
It's just right for your size. For next year or, you know. It's just right. Lalaki ka pa. Don't get too small.
Ganun yung uniform ng PE nila, ano ba?
You know.
Charlotte, yung uniform na may skirt.
It's nice. Well, we're going to...
Did Morrison's have shoes?
I don't know.
No.
Not sure.
Can I have my phone, please?
Mama's got it, not me.
Did you give it to me?
Yes.
Where is it?
You put it in your phone, in your bag.
We're going for shoes.
And then,
We're gonna go to Morrison's.
then hair tie.
I have no... your phone is not here.
You put it in there. I'll watch you.
I always leave my phone in the car.
You put it in your bag and then you took it back out.
Isay? Me? Michaela, you okay?
Ma'am, dal-dal daw na isi, di naman maintindihan.
Baby pa eh.
She was happy, wasn't she? She did a nice
lady?
sale.
Yeah. I say two blouse here for now because we can come back anytime if we really need it.
Yeah.
So I think two per blouses will be fine. Because they are white, needs to be at least 2 pair. 2 pieces. Ay, ulan na naman, nakakayamot.
I didn't know what he was doing in the silver car, but they did it.
I mean, may aral kayo kahit kaunti.
Strawberry. Sweet.
It's nice. Nakatakot lang. Let's get orange. What is that?
20 pounds.
We need shoes. We just spent 300 something for your uniforms. Not gonna buy anything again.
Necessity. This is life.
That is waste.
No, hindi ka mabubuhay.
Great.
Let's go, let's go. Shopping naman tayo, guys. Get some banana. Parang gusto kong magawa ng banana bread. If may time. Chicken, banana. Chicken.
Tatlo lang.
Banana. Muti naman yan. Ito. Para gaga tayong banana. Banana.
How much was it?
3 for 5 pounds.
Parang gusto ko magkuha ng mushrooms. Ay. Baka isubo na siyang... O, lagay mo to doon. Let's try this salmon.
This one then.
I think this is just right.
5 for
No,
5.
they can have some. Strawberry. No, not too much. Too much is not good. Sakit.
Bubblegum.
We're paying now. We're finished. We're finished. Yes, we're home, guys. Tayo mag-shopping haul na. Bumili tayo ng yogurt. 1 pound something to. Hindi ko na alala kung ano yung mga prices. Muna na naman ang donut si Mr. Bumili tayo ng mushrooms. I like the mushrooms to try. Just saute. And grapes. And what else? Bumili tayo ng mga mints and everything.
Mrs. Wood?
Hmm? You have the? Thank you. Malamig. Fish. Palit ka na? Yeah. Okay. Bumili tayo ng steak, guys. I want to try this steak. And we got some chicken.
Don't forget about the
2 kilos chicken yata yun. So, and yogurt for our Kettlewood. Yeah, and we got strawberries. So we got that, strawberries, and this grapes for 3 for 5 pound. Kaya bumili tayo na. Chop! Bumili tayo ng milk. 2 milk. Stock natin yan para sa ating baby. And yung kanyang panghugas ng dedehan dahil ayoko ng fairy o parang joy kasi nga maamoy. Ito ang prepare ko. Hindi tayo masyadong binili. Ang mahal, guys, ng uniform. Grabe. What is that? What is that? Ano daw yun?
Bato.
Bato?
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 Bottle.
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 Bottle. Kala ko bato. Ay, ang bigat naman.
Putting your bottle in the fridge?
Bumili na ng 2 bread si Mr. And, I want to see the ano pala, pen. So, 3 pound to, 20 pieces. So, depende. Kaya na naman siya. Ay! You got 2 cookies. 2 type of cookies. 2 cookies na naman ang binili na for. Uy, 225 na. Uy, they got expensive, Mr. Dati 2 pound lang to. They are 2.25 now. Mahal na. And we have some corn. Tama yung cabbage nila, guys. Sweetheart cabbage. Mas prefer ko yung ganyan cabbage dito. We have cucumber, 1 pound. And traffic lights. Traffic lights. The onion, 1 pound onion. Ito ay, paano nga to? Tama ba? 1 pound? Ilalagay ko pala kung mali ako.
Ay, yung ano ko pala.
1 kilo pala. Mas prefer ko lang gumamit dito ng white onion, guys. Kesa sa red. Makatas din kasi yung kanilang white onion. And then, carrots, baby carrots. Parang ang liliit nila. So, ayan. Para hindi naluluma. Bumili din tayo ng asparagus. Parang 2 pound to. And then beans. Naiyak na ating baby. Papatulugin ko na. Ay! Papatulugin ko na. And broccoli. We bought some orange para sa ating baby. Ayan. Okay. And then, bumili si Mr. ng green apple. Masarap daw to. Golden delicious apple. So, yan. Parang alam ko medyo mahal to eh. Minsan yan. Bili tayo ng zucchini. 1 pack. Tomatoes.
Okay.
Hi! Shabno. Poop. Then, the ginger is not so nice. But we have to get some ginger. I want to make some porridge.
What's this?
Chicken porridge. I want to
You
try
don't
it.
like salmon?
I like them.
I left my phone in the car.
But, I'm gonna, I think,
Then it's
fry in the
staying
butter.
in the
Parang
car.
masarap yun.
I'll go get it.
You forgot it? I got ripe banana because I want to make some banana bread.
Take this one for a moment while I photograph.
Hi!
Well, my
And
phone
then we
beeps.
got lettuce, iceberg, at saka, what is this? Cauliflower. That's it. Yun ang ating binili. This one also.
Yes, that's one of yours, Michaela. That your sister
all we got.
stolen off you.
What is that?
Because you're not using it anyway.
So, yun lang ang binili natin, guys. Yan. 2 milks. Yan. Tapos na tayo, guys, mag-ayos ng shopping. Niligpit ko na agad. And, i-check natin tong ballpen kung maganda. They're not bad. So, ang dami nilang supplies na ballpen. And, check natin mamaya-maya yung kanilang uniforms.